Starting a business does not have to be expensive. In fact, in 2025, there are more opportunities than ever to start a thriving business without spending a single dollar upfront. If you have been waiting for the right time to take the leap, this is it. And let me guide you through 5 actionable zero investment business ideas that you can implement today to transform your passion into profit. If you have expertise in areas like finance, marketing, or even design, you can become a freelance consultant. And platforms like Upwork and LinkedIn are free tools to connect with clients worldwide. Start by offering value pack section and scale as you build your portfolio. As a tip, use free tools like Zoom for consultation and Canva for proposal. The demand for high-quality content is endless. Offer services like writing blog, managing social media accounts, or creating YouTube thumbnail. With free tools like Canva and ChatGPT, you can create professional content without spending anything upfront. As a tip, target small businesses looking to build their online presence. Do you have knowledge to share? Write and sell a book or create templates that solve a specific problem. Websites like Gumroad allow you to sell this product with no upfront cost. Example, a budgeting template for family or a fitness meal plan.
Looking for motivational apparel and essentials to kickstart 2025? Visit my Etsy shop, Irene Biz Essentials. Simply go to www.etsy.com/shop/Irene Biz Essentials and grab your favorites today. Link in the description.
You don't need inventory to earn from affiliate marketing. Use platforms like Amazon Associates to promote products you believe in and earn a commission for every sale. Start by creating content around the product you are promoting on social media. As a tip, choose products that align with your audience needs. Partner with suppliers who allow you to sell their product without purchasing inventory upfront. Use platforms like Shopify or Etsy to list this product and only pay after you have made a sale. As a tip, focus on niche like eco-friendly products or personalized gifts. Which idea excites you the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. If you need help with data analysis, financial planning, or visualization for your business, I'm here to help. Click the link in the description to book a free consultation. Let us build your dream business together. Thank you.
Running a small or medium business is no easy task, and managing your finances shouldn't hold you back. At Irene Consulting Firm, we help small and medium businesses save time and grow profits. With expert bookkeeping, payroll, and financial analysis services, we simplify your finances so you can focus on success. Operating across all 50 states, we're your trusted partner for smarter financial management. Ready to grow your business? Contact us today at 404-399-6099 or visit www.ireneconsultingfirm.com.